Okay, just a quick video on how to change an engine air filter on a 2013 Ford Edge. You'll need a new air filter and no tools. Okay, so your engine air filter is in this casing here, which is located by the battery. To undo the casing, clip here, unclip here. Then pull and lift. Reach in, grab out the filter. Like so. This won't go anywhere, it's safe. Okay, so and with replacing the engine filter, lift up, and I like to use the fuse box to hold it on. Put the new filter in, make sure it's snug, bring it down, line up the 3 clips here, place down, and pushing forward at the same time, snug it in there. Perfect. Clip and clip. And you're done.